Want to start trading with Exness in 2025 but worried about slow verification or getting stuck at sign up? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create and verify your Exness account fast, even if you're a beginner. No stress, no confusion, just a clean step-by-step you can follow right now. And at the end, I'll share a bonus link to help you get started with extra support. So make sure you watch till the end.
So firstly, check the description or the pinned comment section to have access to this link and this partner code. Reason why you should use this when you're creating your account, so you have access to some exclusive bonuses from Exness, you understand, and get a free forex strategy like that you're using to trade and is like beginner friendly. So let's go straight to the video. So you copy the link, take it to any of your browser. If either you're using a Chrome browser, Safari, Phoenix, any browser you're using, so you paste it. So in this case, I'm going to be pasting the link on the Safari session to create the account. When I've done creating the account, we'll log in on the Exness mobile app. So now you are here. The first thing you have to click on this register. So when you click on register, note that don't refresh the page when creating your account. It's compulsory. So it's verifying if you are a human. So you can see verification done. So now you select your country or region. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya. So I'm creating this account for a Nigerian person. So you put in your email address, your password, and this partner code. Where you go here, you see the partner code in the description or the pinned comment section. So you paste it. So now fill in your email and password. Enter the email, guys. So the password, you let it to be something. They say it must be minimum of 8 characters, uppercase, lowercase, with at least one number and a special character like a plus sign. So in this case, I'm going to be using so I want to allow you guys see how the special character looks like. So just create. I'm screenshotting this. I'll show you this later. So I'll click on continue. Note, don't refresh the page. So it's take it to the not save, don't save. Next page now. So you're almost done creating your Exness account. Now, when you reach to this stage, you click on create real account so you can verify your identity and everything. So when it's loading up, guys. My network is quite poor. So now here you click on complete profile. When you click on complete profile, it will ask you to confirm your email, you add a phone number, and also add a profile information. Let's get started. So they've sent a code to the email. I want to try getting it. So this is the code, 69950. For now, just check your email. Exness will have sent the code so you can see if it's marked verified. So now let's verify our number, confirm phone number. So you put in your country code and paste the number. So this is the number. So continue. Code. So they've sent the code is 641877. So you can see now it's now remaining to add profile information. Complete now. So here you put in your first name as it is on your ID card. So he was born on the 20th 10/2002. So you select your country. So it's a male. So I want to put it. You put in your street address the way it is on your valid ID card. So don't do that mistake. If not, Exness might not verify your account. So now we're going to click on continue. Make sure everything you fill here is correct. You understand? So continue. So now Exness will ask you, what is the purpose of opening your account? So you choose whether you want to open this account because of investment or hedging or speculation. So let me just choose investment. This does not really matter. So Exness is asking you, what is your current employment status? If you're a student, put student. If you are unemployed, put unemployed. If you are fully employed, put it. So this person is a student. So now, which of the following best relates your profession or occupation? So if you're an accountant, but if you're just a student, just look for where you see student. You understand? This doesn't really it just puts open answer and just put student. or anything. But if you can see your profession here, just choose it, or just choose education. Just choose education. Continue. So now, please select your primary source of income and wealth. You can select more than one. Okay, so you just choose on savings. If it's employment salary, fine. If it's bank loan, so this I'm going to just be choosing savings. So now, what is your estimated total liquid wealth? So I would just advise you, if you know, just put below $50,000. But if you're above $50,000, it's fine. So now, what is your annual net income? So also choose below 50,000. So what is your anticipated annual income you are ready to invest to Exness? So you can put up to 25%, 50% is your choice. So now I'll just put like 50%. So what is your CFD trading experience with real money? So if you have mostly demo, like you trade mostly demo, or if you like place like 40 to 100 trade, put it. But if you are just a beginner, I'll just advise you should just use mostly demo. So how long would you take you to master the trading skills? Quick note, if you don't click trading demo, you won't be asked this question, I think. So just put less than 6 months or 6 months plus. So do you have educational qualification and or working experience with relevant CFD trading? If you have some experience, put yes. If you have zero experience, put no. So let me just put no. So what will be your required margin for lot size? You can say 1,000. What are your plan on trading? Have it as a side job. Just put it as a side hustle. But if you want to, you are creating the account to become a full-time trader, you can put this. Just select anything, guys. So now this way, you select your trading instrument. If you want to be trading forex pairs like 𝐬𝐬USD, or you want to be trading metals commodity like gold, you understand, cryptocurrency, commodity, stock. So this person wants to become a forex trader. So click on continue. And you can click on, you can see Exness, you can trade cryptocurrency, stock, anything. Or you click on, if you are not sure, you can click on not sure yet. So we'll click on continue. So after you hear about Exness for the first time, you can select YouTube, you can select anywhere. So just put YouTube, continue. So before engaging on trading, please consider your financial situation or risk tolerance. So review, just click on this button so you can click on submit. So that is it. Now you can start using this account for 14 days. You can deposit up to $500 on and trade. You can start using this account to trade like this, but it's just that it's going to be on a limit. If you have deposit up to $500 or withdraw up to $500, you won't be able to do any transaction till you verify your identity. You understand? So now in this case, we are going to continue. Click on verify identity now. So now you have to, how the name is on your valid document, that's how it should tally. So just make sure it tally exactly. Edit if the name, so your first name, you just click on save. Upload document. Guys, my network is quite poor this afternoon. So data use agreement, click on I confirm, and I click on submit document. So as a Nigerian, you can use your BVN to verify your account. It's more easier to verify it, it won't take more steps. So if you don't have BVN while creating this account, you can click on skip I don't have BVN. In this case, this guy doesn't have BVN, but in your country, any valid document you have. So let's just click on skip. So you click on submit document. So guys, here you will select your identity document you have access to. You can use international passport, like I said earlier. You can use your driver license, you can use your national ID card, permanent voters card, depending on your country. So either use your driver license or your passport, any valid ID card you have and is available to use here. So for this case, I'm going to be using NIN. So I'm going to be using NIN recommended. Guys, quick note, make sure you use that link to create your Exness account in case you get stuck, that verified partner link. In case you get stuck, I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description of this video to reach out to me if you get stuck, and also give you exclusive forex strategy for free. Like, this strategy is what I used to trade the financial market, and the win rate is cool. I'm not saying it's perfect. And also make sure you join my Telegram community where I drop some signal setup. Well, I drop trade for free. You enter the trade, will make money, and smile. So you can see your document have to be clear like this. You need to snap your document clear like this, not like this. So now I want to upload the document. So you can see I've uploaded the document. As you can see, I've uploaded the document. I might blow it because of security reason. So you click on submit document. So this document is under review. Guys, in less than 3 minutes, the proof of identity was verified. You can see offset. You cannot deposit. Since they verified the account. So now let's click on complete verification. One more step. You need to verify your resident. So in this case, you can still upload your NIN slip if it carries your full address. Like the one I used carry your full address. You can use your bank statement. You can use your driver license front side. You can use utility bills like your water bills, electricity bills that carry your address and carries your name. So in this case, we are going to be using bank statement. So I'm going to choose file. So this is the guy bank statement. This is the PDF of bank statement. You can download it from your mobile app. So now when you are done with this process, you can now log in your Exness account to your mobile app and start trading. And don't forget, make sure you use the partner link so you have access to, just DM me. I'll put my WhatsApp number. I'll give you access to the trading course for free. Like, this course is worth over $200. So I'm done. Just click on submit document. Now the account should be done verifying. So I believe I was able to guide you guys step by step on how to create your Exness account. If you have any question, feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and also comment where you're watching this video from. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with friends and family that it might help a young billionaire. Submit. Yeah, you click on submit. Guys, in less than 4 minutes, the proof of residence was verified. If you have any issue, I'm here to assist you. That's why I created this channel, for us to grow together. No one is perfect. Guys, you can use different payment methods to deposit and withdraw, like online bank, crypto, a lot. So check it out. If you have any question, you can now give me WhatsApp the Exness app to log in. So let's go to the setting. You can see the account we both created step by step is fully verified now. So this is a step-by-step guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button. If you are stuck, check the description of this video or the comment section. You'll see my WhatsApp number to reach out to me, and also have access to the premium trading strategy. And don't forget to join the Telegram channel whereby I share trade setup. Bye for now.